Here's another nice low-mile Cadillac in at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular car is a 1995 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham with a little over 16,000 miles on it. As you can see, it's in dark cherry metallic color. This particular car is a two-owner car, spent the majority of its life with the same original owner in Maryland before making its way to the Midwest where we have it here. The 95, of course, is powered by the ever popular LT1 350 GM V8 underneath there, the engine that everybody wants in these. And again, a little over 16,000 miles. You can see that it has Vogue tires on it, the nice Cadillac chrome wheels. If you've ever ridden one of these, you know that they're one of the greatest, smoothest riding Cadillacs probably that was ever produced. Plenty of size in them. And this one happens to be a low mile example in nice shape. There's a few imperfections in the paint that I'll kind of point out as we go around here, but overall, considering that this car is 24 years old now, a very nice shape, and again, powered by that LT1. Check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, the interior, the engine bay, see how nice and tight it is. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, you can feel free to call us to discuss this car. 507-386-1726. There's one little spot I noticed where you kind of got, you can see some in the clear where it's got a few spots that are in the clear of the trunk, kind of trunk lid or deck lid, I guess, if you will. And then also on the bumper, a little bit of crazing kind of on the top of the bumper, if you can see that, if that shows up on there. That was a couple of the things I noticed, but overall, nice shape. You don't find a bunch of dings or nicks or scratches up and down the side of it. Of course, the Brougham, you got the full vinyl roof. Very nice looking top on this with the dark cherry vinyl. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. See that the seats are in very nice shape. Start with the door cards. See all the options. We did power seats, both sides, windows, locks, mirrors. For 95, extremely well-equipped car. You can see here's your leather, not torn. Wear on it, minimal, about what you'd expect. I did notice you have the dash cover here, so I did look underneath that. There's one hairline crack right there. Goes from the front of the dash straight up. It does come with the dash cover on there. Let's go ahead and start this car up. Here it runs. Let's check out the miles. All right, there's your miles, 16,989. You can see there's no warning indicators, check engine light, anything like that on the dash. Factory stereo, climate control system. Just what you'd expect in the luxurious Fleetwood. Headliner intact, all in good shape. Not sagging. Let's take a look in this rear seat area. Look at how beautiful this is. Nice and shape the leather's in. Great spot to ride. Very comfortable. If you heard that, that was the air ride. Air ride is working. There's an automatic leveling to it. Alright, let's come around up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood. So one more time. 1996 Fleetwood Brougham. A little over 16,000 miles on it. Let's pop this hood and check out the engine bay. Alright, so here you go. Let's take a look. Get a little glare from the hood light there. Let's take a look underneath the hood here. There's your LT1 350. Multi-port fuel injection. Beautiful. Nice, tidy engine bay underneath here. And again, a little over 16,000 miles. What you'd expect. There you go. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation of this beautiful car to where you're located at. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. 1995 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham low mile LT1 car. Give us a call.